Gentlemen, a big thanks to you, audiences, for presenting yourself in such a large number. Few days back we were apprehensive that post-office time may not be an ideal time to have a good number of audience, but you proved us wrong, and so delighted are we that we could prove ourselves wrong this evening. Thank you for being with us. You actually made the event, this annual event, a reasonable success for us year after year. Kamla Bhasin, Santosh Desai, Kalikesh Narayan Singh Deo, many thanks for making us a part into this very gripping conversation. Your conversation hovers around gender justice, but also reaffirms our concern with the notion of democracy getting distorted with huge challenges, and whether it's the painful erosion of democracy or whether it's the gender injustices, I think at the roots is the striking patriarchy, and we'll have to deal with that. This special thanks to Mr. Deep Joshi. He is chairman of National Foundation for India, but this evening I thank him for being a well-wisher and guide for NFI. It's difficult to imagine NFI hosting its annual events without India Habitat Center. A big thanks to you for all your hospitality and support services. To the media fellows, you have done NFI a great service by accepting these fellowships, and with media fellowship we actually kind of are able to call our media fellowships the flagship program for NFI. लेकिन एक दूसरी बात मुझे सी सुब्रमण्यम फेलोशिप्स के बारे में कहना है। इस फेलोशिप्स को आप जो अपनी संस्थाएं चलाते हैं, आपने ये फेलोशिप स्वीकार करके हमें बड़ा किया, और ये बात मैं आज 10 साल के बाद फिर दोहरा रही हूँ। 10 साल पहले जब NFI अपनी 10वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहा था, तब भी हमने यही कहा था किसी एक संदर्भ में कि ये जो अपने अपने जगह में दूर दराज के इलाकों में काम करते हैं, और कभी कई बार जो पितृसत्तात्मकता की बात कमला भसीन जी कर रही थी, ये हर लेवल पे आप लोग जो ये पितृसत्तात्मकता के द्वारा पैदा की जाने वाली जटिल विषमताओं का सामना करते हैं और फिर भी अपनी स्वायत्तता को बनाए रखते हैं, उसके लिए धन्यवाद। और चूंकि आज आपने हमारे फेलोशिप्स को लिया है, स्वीकार किया है, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। And at the end, I think I haven't missed anyone, but at the end I would like to say a special thanks to all my colleagues and all the jury members who have kind of put this event together. I see Prashant Panjir here. There have been a lot of efforts in putting this program together, in selecting the fellows. A big thanks to all NFI colleagues, the hands at the finance, the office assistance team. A big thanks to all of you. Amitabh for moderating. Thank you.
But look for something that claimed research from Asia. It is being set up right now. And we want people to write an issue. We want the youth to write an issue. And there might be a lot of stuff going on. So once I get up and one word, God.
Big it out.